Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Technically, bed bugs can live through a cycle in the washing machine. The truth is that while washing your clothes or linens will kill most of the bed bugs, the heat of drying your items is what will ultimately exterminate any and all remaining bugs. 10 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Drying will kill the bugs but not clean the clothes. If you want to only kill bed bugs and do not need to wash your clothes, simply putting infested items in the dryer for 30 minutes on high health will kill all the bed bugs.
Let's help you make your mark.
Product overview. Includes Hygiea Natural 32 ounces. Bed bug laundry treatment. Used to eradicate bed bugs from clothing, linens, drapes and other washable, machine-safe items in early bed bug infestations.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A hair dryer might seem like a safer way to kill bed bugs with heat. Unfortunately, their maximum temperature is rarely more than 150 degrees. That heat level can kill bed bugs, but only if you maintain the heat over them for several minutes. 8 December 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.